5 Best Vacuum for Pet Hair on Carpet and Hardwood Floors Reviews. Number 1. Shark Apex Upright Vacuum with DuoClean. Shark Apex is our top pick for its DuoClean technology, strong suction, power lift-away mode, and HEPA filter. The DuoClean technology features a bristle brush and additional soft brush roll. The bristle brush lets you deep clean the carpeted floor. On the other hand, the soft brush roll allows you to vacuum hardwood floors. Besides, this vac comes with strong suction 101 and higher airflow 90 cfm to pick up small to large specks of dirt, dust, and debris. On top of that, the HEPA filter can capture 99.97% of particles and allergens and keep the air fresh. Therefore, the power lift-away mode lets you detach the pod and use it in an upright style. In return, you can easily take on debris from hard-to-reach areas like under furniture, sofa, and bed. Number 2. Bissell Cleanview Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner. Bissell Cleanview Upright is the best vacuum cleaner for carpeted floors. The vac comes with an innovative turbo brush tool. Unlike other vacuums, the Bissell allows the brush roll to rotate down into the carpet and pick up specks of dirt from there efficiently. Indeed, it ensures you to deep clean the carpeted floors. Besides, the Bissell Cleanview Upright comes with crevice tools and a dusting brush to handle pet hair. On top of that, the 25-foot-long cord lets you reach tight spaces like under furniture. Therefore, the multi-filtration system captures the finest particles and improves air quality. On the flip side, the washable filter allows you to clean the filter to maintain its efficiency. Plus, it helps to prolong motor life. Number 3. Bissell CrossWave Floor and Carpet Cleaner. If you are looking for a multifunctional vacuum cleaner, Bissell CrossWave is the perfect bait. The multi-surface vacuum cleaner comes with an innovative microfiber brush and nylon brush rolls. As a result, you can vacuum and wash the floor at the same time. Besides, the smart touch control system lets you switch it between hard floors and rug area. In return, you can clean both hardwoods and carpeted floors without any hassle. Moreover, the multi-surface cleaning machine is also compatible with laminate, linoleum, hardwood floors, and more. The only con of this Number 4. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Handheld Vacuum. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser is another best vacuum cleaner for its compact design, multi-layer filtration, and immersive suction. The compact design of this vac makes it a perfect bait for easy maneuverability. You can lug it around effortlessly and clean every corner of your home. The cyclonic cleaning system offers you strong suction to pick up small to medium dust efficiently. At the same time, the suction nozzle perfectly picks up dry messes like spilled dog food. Besides, it comes with 2 specialized nozzles to take debris from hard-to-reach areas. On top of that, the 16-foot-long cord is enough to cover small rooms. The con of this vacuum cleaner is its vents on the side of this vac blows out air. As a result, it stirs up the pet hair around the area where you are cleaning. Number 5. Dlbea 18 kPa Corded Stick Vacuum Cleaner. At number 5, we bring Dlbea 18 kPa Corded Stick Vacuum for its strong suction, multi-surface cleaning, and HEPA filter. The corded vacuum offers high-efficient vacuuming with 600 W, 18 kPa strong suction. It means you can pick up every type of dust from small to large efficiently. Afterward, the 5-level height adjustment feature lets you vacuum every floor type, including hardwood, carpet, and tile floors. On the other hand, the 19.6-foot-long cord is enough to cover a large room. Therefore, the HEPA filter can take on 99.97% of particles and keep the air fresh by removing pet odor. The only drawback of this vacuum is its wheel that makes noise while moving it on the surface. It would be best if the wheel is made of rubber instead of metal.